welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So today's video is again going to be about something very unique which I have in my mind. Now this thing I want to tell you guys that this is an idea which I was thinking since like few days. So I thought that let's share it with you guys. So I have like few bags which I have got from Sarojini or Lajpat or maybe Janpat or maybe some local stores such as Zudio or maybe Max, Reliance, all of those places. So the idea was that every time we prepare an outfit for ourselves, we think that what sort of a bag will go with that. So हमें समझ में नहीं आता कि like for every outfit do we have to get another bag? So that is not possible, right? Practically it's not possible. So I thought that let's create a video that will give you an idea that not every time you have to burn your pockets, and also there are some items which you can have in your mind while going for shopping on all these places. जैसे आप सरोजनी जा रहे हो, जनपद जा रहे हो, so on what sort of pieces you should be investing कि आपको ऐसा नहीं feel हो कि आपके पास कोई भी trendy sort of a bags नहीं है. You have to go to H&M or Zara to get all sort of bags. So yes, the whole idea here again is that what sort of bags you should invest in जो कि आपके pockets को burn ना करे and at the same time are going to elevate your outfits to give you a very enhanced sort of a look. So yes, that's the whole idea. Let's see how this video is going to turn up. So let's not waste another second and let's dive into this video. Alright, so the first bag which I want to show it to you guys is this box sort of a bag. I got this from Janpat, and this is a very unique sort of a bag. Trust me, it's only retail. So basically they have quoted a price of I think 1500 or 2000, something like that. So again Janpat is a place जहाँ पर आपको prices बहुत overly expensive ही बताएंगे वो, but it is your skill that how you're going to bargain it. So again it is something that you will learn in years of practice, trust me. So this bag I got it for I think 350 or 400 rupees. Trust me, this is worthy of that 400 bucks. This is a sort of a box pattern. इस तरीके से यहाँ पर इसका fabric का print आता है, which gives it such a very fusion sort of in a traditional look at the same time. It has like a brown sort of a leather going on. इस तरीके से यहाँ पर इसका sling आ जाता है, which has a chain situation going on. And this is the opening part, if you can see. So it has like a quite good space to keep your stuff and everything. So this sort of a bags are very trendy nowadays. इसमें और भी तरह के ये patterns आते हैं. The reason I got this brown color because ये हर तरह के outfits पे जाता है, which makes it really unique. और इसको आप हर तरह के outfits के साथ carry कर सकते हो with the right amount of the work you need to do on your accessories and everything. So suppose for example आप कोई fusion wear कर रहे हो. Now again you have to keep some elements of fusion, maybe your earrings or maybe your footwear, to a very minimal level so that ये bag उस तरीके से carry हो पाए. Let's for example you're wearing this kurti जिसमें कि बहुत सारा मिरर वर्क है, इट्स वेरी ट्रेडिशनल एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. उसके साथ आप एक जीन्स वेयर कर रहे हो विच हैज़ लाइक अ वेरी वेस्टर्न सॉर्ट ऑफ अ very bold sort of a look. And then if you're carrying this bag, you have to make sure that your earrings are not very heavy and not very jhumkas type. You maybe can go with the danglers or something like that. You can go with the maybe kolhapuris as a slippers or something like that. So that sort of a look with this bag will definitely enhance the entire outfit. Trust me, you can wear it with the Indian wear, it will go best. Then with the fusion wear I've just told you. Again, if you want to style something in between, maybe with the western wear or something like that, again it will not go very well with the dresses, maybe with the jumpsuits or something like that. But yes, you can wear it with court sets. Suppose a western court set is there, so how you're gonna style it, it will all going to elevate that particular level of outfit. So yes, this is going to be the first piece. This sort of bags are very popular nowadays and they're easily available in these markets. So yes, next time you're going to visit, do look out for them. Alright, so the second bag here is this very beautiful potli. Now this is a very unique sort of a potli from usual which we have. So basically I like it to wear it with a lot of Indian wear because it will go best with saris, especially something with a sequence work or something like that. But again, what I would highly recommend, if you want to give that spark to your outfit, you can wear it with sort of a western dresses with those broad necks, satin sort of a dresses. This sort of potlis will look so beautiful. Trust me, with the right pair of heels or plums or gladiators, they will rock. So this bag has this particular opening right here. I got it from Myntra, I believe. This is how it looks. This gives a very beautiful and subtle look to it. This is the closing point, as you can see, and you can carry it in a lot of ways again. So the whole idea to show this bag is that these sort of bags are not only meant for traditional outfits, they also do look well with sort of a satin long dresses, gowns, or maybe some western outfits that has a feel of very feminine touch, if you know what I mean. So yes, this is the second recommendation which I wanted to give. Alright, so the third bag is a very unique sort of a bag, but it's also a very common color which one must have in their wardrobe. So this is a brown sling bag. This is a square structure, mostly square, sort of a angle is there right here. Now this one has a small sling right over here, and this is the long sling इधर में, and यहाँ पर इस तरीके से इसका pocket आ जाता है. I got it from Sarojini. I think it was for 200 or 300 bucks if I'm not wrong. So this is how it looks. Now this sort of a bags are must to have in your wardrobe because firstly of the color. This sort of a color goes best with all sort of outfits, trust me. They will match every color you have in your wardrobe. It's only that how you're gonna style your entire look, your earrings, your neck pieces, your bracelets, your footwears, and all of that. So I usually like to carry this bag for I think 1 or 2 times I had removed this sling, so there is no other way to remove it. So what I usually do, I just put it inside in this chain, and what I like to keep this bag like this with me, so to give a sort of a different sort of a look with all the dresses sort of a pattern which I have when we talk about outfits. Uske alawa you can carry it like in a very casual attire, maybe with jeans, sneakers. It will go really well because it's a very classic sort of a sling bag, I would rather say, but because of the color element and everything which it has, it actually elevates your outfits. So yes, I think these sort of a bags must be there in your wardrobe. So yes, this would be my third recommendation. Alright, so the last piece which I have with me is this round sling bag again. Now these sort of a bags go really well with your casual or maybe formal outfits, trust me. These sort of a bags, basically the shape wise, I would rather say you can pick your favorite color, of course, but the shape wise it goes really well when you're wearing something very simple, or maybe you don't want to, you know, do a lot of efforts on your outfits. The bag shape does matter a lot. So इस तरीके से गोल वाले जो भी bags वगैरह होते हैं ना, they gives a very unique perspective, क्योंकि again this is something different which a person will carry. So I think that is the whole idea behind this bag, and that's the reason I got this. So इसको मैंने I guess Max से लिया था, Max के store से लिया था, and this is a chain, and again this is a sling, and this gives a very subtle look. Trust me, it looks really good. So yes, these are some of the bags which I think that the person should have in their wardrobe. Again, they are very affordable. They're not going to burn your pockets, and at the same time are going to elevate your outfits if you know how rightly you have to wear them. So that's the whole idea. I hope आपको ये video पसंद आई हो. If yes, then please do like this video, and also if you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel. So I'll be meeting you in my next video. Till then, stay healthy. Bye bye, take care.